EnviroCon Systems, we're a specialty contractor. We supply high-density polyethylene liners or any type of liner and pipe. Really our niche is projects that are very safety intensive and or very technical, or ideally both. So our best customers are Dow and Exxon and Shell and environments like that where safety and technical approach and quality really make a difference. A couple things. One is our safety record, so we're able to get in these facilities. They're very hard to get into. They have strict requirements for background checks and drug screens, and there's a lot of safety training you have to go through, both at safety councils and on site. So our employees can get through those to get into the plants. And then our technical approach. So we kind of do the jobs that nobody wants to do, that are very difficult. We're working in tight limits. They're very congested sites, these petrochemical plants. That's really where we operate best.
What's happening in the market? Any new products or developments?
The market's been good. Obviously, we've been recovering post-COVID, but all our good customers are starting to spend capital again. We've seen material prices kind of stabilize. Polyethylene went up all last year and is now flat. PVC is also maybe flattening now, and that's really led to some inroads for us into the PVC market. So what's happened in the last year is between the freeze in February and the hurricanes in Louisiana in August and supply chain issues, PVC's gotten much more expensive and hard to get. The lead times are very long or undefined. So we've been able to help our customers fill those spots using high-density polyethylene pipe in projects where PVC was originally specified. So they continue to use all the fittings they plan to use with PVC. We're just doing the mainline part of the project in high-density polyethylene. So it's really helped keep some timing of some projects going when our customers couldn't get PVC.
Do you see this as a long-term opportunity?
I think so. As we introduce HDPE, we have to be competitive, but we bring some advantages. We can do a lot of welding of the pipe outside the hole, then put that in at once. So there's some safety gains in using high-density polyethylene as opposed to PVC. They're welded joints. We can have data logging of those joints, so we know that we're providing good quality welds. So hopefully we can continue to make some inroads into the water market and the industrial market.
What inspires the name EnviroCon?
Really, it's the industrial side. It's kind of, we like to say protect the environment. We're either keeping stuff contained or keeping stuff out of groundwater. But for us, it's just been synonymous with providing liners and pipe and good quality containment. We're based in Houston. That's our main office, our only office. We have our shops there. We fabricate large panels of liner. We fabricate some pipe fittings, and we do some other fabrication. And then we have construction crews, both in pipe technicians and liner crews that are roaming the country. So typically that's the Gulf Coast and up to the Midwest. We'll go as far west as California if the project dictates, or as far east as New Jersey if the work's there. And that's kind of where I talked about where we get called into projects nobody else gets into. So for example, there's a project later this year in Pennsylvania. They got to fix this problem tank that nobody can fix, so we're going to go up there and take care of it. I think what's important to us in our drive for this year is that our customers really understand our core values and their safety and outstanding service, dedication, loyalty, and integrity. And so what we hire people on and what we ask our employees to do, we're going to bring to our customer base. We're going to make sure that we take care of your project. First of all, we're safe no matter what. We do it with outstanding service. We do it right even if nobody's looking, and we make sure that we take care of the customer. That's the EnviroCon focus going forward.